We've got 40 users from 18 different customers from various groups. So we are pulling together a good distribution and mix of different users. And so we're both kind of winning in this perspective because we're getting their feedback on how to improve Synchro, but they're also learning about what our future plans are. So bringing our whole Synchro product development team together with this group is going to really help us accelerate the advancement of what we're trying to do from a Synchro development perspective.
The big impact here with Synchro in the construction industry, it brings the plan to life. It makes it easy to understand. A picture speaks 1,000 words. And no one wants to read Gantt charts. It makes everything so much easier.
It's customizable for every user, so you have the ability to create your own forms for what we use it for, and they're part of the environment we use as well.
It allows us to de-risk and to optimise construction projects, large iconic projects.
Every building is an opportunity for Synchro construction to help be more efficient with resources and whatnot. And it is a partnership. They need to know that we can trust them, they can trust us, and we're solving their problems.
Meeting them face to face was really good, so now we're able to actually put a face to a name and not only that, have questions answered quickly and understand what their aim is and what our aim is.
It's nice having that engagement and seeing other people from other projects all in one room, and you're just bouncing off ideas. It's great.
It's been very impactful to have our users tell us what their real problems are. And we want to make changes now, not a year from now, 2 years from now. So getting this feedback and strengthening those relationships has been very important for us.